Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting access and picking tools. Open Google Search Console and any paid backlink tool you have. You need the exact domain and canonical version. Enter that now. Once done, set the date range and export format so results are consistent across tools. Make sure to enable full link reports and select external backlinks only. You'll be ready to compare data sources and avoid duplicates later, so don't skip these initial choices. They save time and improve accuracy. You now run queries and clean the raw data. Pull backlink lists from each tool and export them. Next, filter for follow versus nofollow, live versus broken, and sort by domain authority or estimated traffic so you focus on valuable links. Once filtered, deduplicate by root domain and tag spammy links or obvious low-quality sources. Make sure to group by landing page and anchor text. This helps you spot patterns and priority pages for outreach or disavow decisions later in the process. Finish by analyzing and taking action. Prioritize high-value links for outreach and mark toxic links for disavow. You should document every contact attempt and response in a spreadsheet so you can track progress. Once done, update your backlink map and set reminders for follow-ups. If you don't see expected links, recrawl the referring pages, check robots, TXT and canonical tags, and ensure the pages aren't blocked. If problems persist, verify tool settings and export raw HTML to confirm link presence before escalating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.